Since I was a child, I really liked to do water sport, and I was very passionate by surf, windsurf, also sailing. And so I really want to share my passion with friends and other people. It's for that I started designing an automatic system to rent stand-up paddleboard and kayak in self-service. I'm Nicolas Roche, the founder and CEO of Playa-Rent. It's very low cost, it's very easy to install and to transport, and we can install the station on every site. If you want to rent a stand-up paddleboard, it's very easy. You don't have to download an app, you don't have to make booking. You just have to scan the QR code on the station, place your credit card, and then the paddle unlock. For a startup, it's very important to visualize the concept we want to develop. So I use professional tools like Solid Edge to design the MVP and to convince the investor to invest in my project. For a startup, it's very important to move forward with confidence with a reliable company as Siemens.
Nicolas came once and said, I need boards. So we basically put RFID, microchip, we put some kind of adjustment to our core product, making sure it fits within the concept. What was interesting in the collaboration is, first, you touch people that you will not touch in shops, because in shop they come to be owners. Here they just want to practice, they just want to have this experience. So it's another type of audience. On the other side, it's great visibility, because the more boards you have on the water, the better it is for us.
The partnership with Thai Outdoor is very strategic for us, because they have the knowledge to manufacture the board, and they also have the supply chain to export our product all around the world. Using Solid Edge X and Teamcenter Share is very important, because I can storage all my files inside Teamcenter Share, and on all my computer, the file will be up to date. Thanks to the professional tools we use, Playa-Rent develop and own their proper technology. This technology can be adapted on other product scenarios. To know how the Playa-Rent station will behave with the stand-up paddleboard and the kayak, I use the value-based licensing of Solid Edge and also the simulation module. One of the biggest things I learned as a CEO of a startup is that you think you know everything. It's a big mistake. You have to find people to move forward in the same direction. You have to be okay with a failure and mistakes. This is part of the job. You make every day a bad decision. You have to stay strong about this and to learn about this failure.
What I can wish to Nicolas in the perspective in the future is basically have a station in each of the existing beach. I'm making sure he is present, and because he will be present, we will be present. At the end of the day, what really the return on investment is a smile on the face of the guys in the water. And with the combination of our means, we bring smile on the faces. And that's basically what we want to do. The more, the better.